Hello and g'day. It's Donna here. I'm going to unbox this Your Creative Studio subscription box. It's a vintage stationery subscription box that you can get sent to your door every month. This box, you don't know what's in it. Every time, I don't know what's in it. I have not opened this yet. All I've done is taken this apart. All I know from this card here is it's wildflowers, because it says love is like wildflowers. So I know that it's going to be something to do with wildflowers. So we all love butterflies, we all love flowers, so we're not going to be disappointed. So I always take it out careful so I can recycle the packaging and everything else. So I'm just going to empty it all out, and I'll undo that later on, and I can reuse this paper. I'll put all that aside and we'll start taking it all apart, and I'll sort of pick up as I go randomly. So the first thing I pick up is the little paper squares, and each one of them are a different colour, and they're gorgeous. Like, you will never ever be disappointed in the quality of the designer paper that Amanda chooses when she picks out the things to put in this box. She's got impeccable taste. These papers are gorgeous. Right, so that's the first thing. It's a cottage garden, and there's 60 pieces in that little pack. That'll go a long way. The next piece, it's like Christmas time. Oh, labels. Oh my gosh, look at these. I love these. These are stickers. All right, so they're sticker labels. And look at these ones with the numbers on them. How cool are they? Oh, you'd get a fantastic use out of that. These are amazing. They're marvellous. I just love them to bits. All right, we've got a cling stamp. I know what that one is because it says so. So I'm going to peel that back careful so I can reuse this bag. And the cling stamps, these here, I don't know who makes them, but every time I use these stamps, they work perfectly. So the first one has got, if I can try and do it without the shine. The first one is just little wildflowers. That's also, I'm going to have to show you that way because they're just shining so much. And that one's just like another little wildflowers. I'll take a photo and insert that in so you can see them a bit better. But these rubber stamps, they work brilliant. They're such good quality as well. There's more cling stamp here, so I'll grab this one while I'm at it. This is a bigger one, and it's got little flowers on the side with some text. So I'll take a photo of that so you can see that one a bit better as well. This one here, when I take these apart, I always use the packaging as well. I never just use the insides. Oh, they're double-sided, and this feels silky smooth. Double-sided cards. And they've got the garden theme on them as well. There's tons of those there. You just slip them into a pocket. We're always looking for things to put in the pockets. This is the washi. Yeah, very pretty. And it's matching. Vellum, little pieces of vellum in the most gorgeous designs. You can either use them in a full piece. Oh, look. No, wait. There's always surprises. Every bit has a surprise. You can tear that off and turn it into a little stamp or a label. But they all can tear off, every one of them. Love that. That is super cute. I love those little long specimen style jars. They're beautiful. This one here is a book of vellum. They are. So if you just peel them out as you want to use them, you can put them anywhere. These are great little fillers. I use these all the time. I've got a different pack of these and I love them. We have got this bigger pack here. Well, this one's stuck first. These are stickers and they're like a matte finish, which I like. I love the matte finish rather than the real shiny ones because they work so much better in our vintage journals. If you love the vintage journal, this matte style is beautiful. This one here looks like more paper. And look at the packaging. There's just, you know, so much use for that. Again, all matching. So if you could make a journal and have everything in here go throughout your journal without even thinking. If you just used a plain paper and added all this to it, it would work out beautifully. Got this here, which these are tickets and they're on a string. So I'm going to take this apart. Look at this. Presentation is everything. It slides into a little pocket and it's got a string tied on the top. And again, you've got that clear bit there, and then you can just cut off your tickets or fold them. If you've got a perforating guillotine, you could perforate them yourself, but there's tons of beautiful designs in that. A variation of garden birds, a few bunnies. Oh, I'm just going to leave that there like that. These here, now these are stickers. Oh, look at these. The gorgeous colours. There's so many uses for these. Again, in that lovely matte colour. When you put these down and you smooth them over with your bone folder, they tend to disappear onto your paper. And lucky last is the 6x6. These are sticker sheets. You can tell by the thickness and the paper on the back. So we've got that design, that design, that one, all matching. All matching again. Everything you got here is going to work with each other. I love them. I love receiving these. I don't get very much at Christmas time, and I don't mind, because if you get one of these every month or every second month, you don't have to buy them every month. You can buy them monthly. You get a discount if you get them every second month, or you get 3 in a row and then you take a rest. It's a really good way to buy vintage stationery because it all is selected for you. You don't have to think about it, and it matches. I'm going to put Amanda's link to the Your Creative Studio. That's it there, Your Creative Studio. I'm going to put the link below so you can go and have a look at the website yourself. I want to take this opportunity to tell you about my monthly membership. If you've heard of memberships like Patreon, or the join button that you see underneath the YouTube videos, well, it's sort of like that, only I host it on my own website. So I've got a monthly subscription membership that at the moment is $15 a month. So what you get in that membership is way more than what you see me give out here in YouTube. Every now and again, I'll give out a free pattern, or I'll do a video and the pattern will come with that video. So on the membership, the paid membership for $15 a month, you get all of the paid ones that I put on my website for free. Plus you get videos on how to make junk journals. I go into detail, and you get guides, and you get the patterns. So if you wanted to make a junk journal, you'd get everything from the start to the finish on how to make that junk journal. And that would be perfect if you were a beginner. Absolutely perfect if you were a beginner. But in saying that, I also just put a journal out that's a little bit more intermediate. But if you wanted to have a go at it as a beginner and that you were confident, you could certainly do it, because in the membership, you've got access to me, which you don't have that on YouTube. You can chat to me on the comments, but that's about it. I can answer basic questions, but in the membership, you can get way more help from me, a lot more one-on-one. What I also do in the membership is I send out happy mail and things like that. So what I'm doing with this pack here today is this is going to be sent out to one of the members. So one of the ladies in the membership is going to get a lovely surprise, and she, because I've got all ladies, she will be notified very shortly that she is the winner of all of this vintage stationery from your creative studio. So if you were a member of Junk Journal Ideas monthly membership, you'd be able to join in the fun here with us as well. So I'd love to see you join. I'll put the link below so that you can just have a look at the little video that I've made, just telling you a bit more about the membership. So go and check it out, and if you want to join, I'd love to see you there. Thanks again. I love you all very, very much, and bye for now.